My dear friend, this is our number 4.5 YG slider with the glass material. So first let's check the details, and you can see the spring is very strong, and for this one it's a wrist double lock. First from here you can see the lock is this side, and if I turn to this side, you also can the lock. You can see the pin inside. Can you see the pin? So whenever I turn the slider to this side over to this side, you can see the pin both two sides. It means double lock. And for this weight is 500 pieces per kilo. We have a non-negative and negative two model for your choosing. Let's see. You can see it can catch the slider, but from this one it's non-negative. We cannot catch any slider. So which model do you want? You can send email to us. Thank you.